Okay, here's the second part of our tutorial where the student will need to upload their final Comic Live poster. So I'll just reload the program and submit that to Google Drive for the teacher to mark it. So if we come back into our program and tap on our completed poster, you'll notice that there is a shared icon beneath it. Also, the shared icon once again. Here there's an option to share this to your photo library. So this is one way in which we can upload it to Google Drive. So we'll tap on the photo library option. Standard JPEG will be fine. Okay, now that should be in our photo library. So I'm just going to close this app. And now I will load up Google Drive. In advance, the teacher would have needed to have set up a folder for the students to submit their work to. The student will need to navigate their way to the shared folder of the class, which for them will be via the shared icon. This is my class shared folder, so I'll just go into that. In advance, I've set up a science folder. And within that folder, I've also set up another folder for our light work. So the student will then go into light. And now that they're inside this folder, here is where they will tap the plus button. So they must be inside the folder that they want to submit to. So they'll tap the plus button and select the option Upload Photo, because their Comic Live poster is now a photo in their photo library. So we tap on that. We can then see a thumbnail image of it as it's the last image on the roll. Tap on there and select that image and tap our blue tick, and you can see that it's currently uploading. When that process is finished, it will appear in here inside the folder. I can see that live uploading by coming down to the upload icon, and you'll notice there it's almost complete, and there's the last 3 uploads that I've done before. So now it looks to be finished. So if I go back to that folder quickly, there we can see the image uploading. A little thumbnail picture will appear shortly once it's fully loaded. There we are. The final thing that needs to be done is to name it, because it will be called as IMG and a number. So the student needs to ensure that their name is attached to that particular poster so the teacher knows whose it is. And we can do that final step by tapping on the I for information. And in our right menu, we have the option to rename. So tap on rename. And there, I'll just leave that final .jpeg, and the student would name it after themselves and click rename. And now it's renamed. The teacher will be able to open up that document on his own iPad or via his own PC and mark that. Okay, so that's the image via the iPad. I'll just quickly show you what that would look like by the PC. So the teacher can, on their own laptop, come up to their Google Drive folder, open that up, and go into that same folder, and there they can see the finished work. Okay, that's how to submit your work to Google Drive.